Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. So today I'm going to teach you a little trick, or show you a little trick. If you change out your carburetor jets and you normally make a big mess of fuel all over your intake manifold, all you need is this. So let me flip the camera around here in a second, and what I do is I basically loosen up one of the bottom corner screws, from the bowl, and then pull it out, and basically all the fuel runs out into this. So instead of sticking a bunch of shop rags under the intake manifold to try to catch all the fuel, basically you can catch it in this little water bottle, and then basically pour it right back into the fuel tank. So let me flip the camera around here. I'll show you this neat little trick, and it's pretty simple to do. I do recommend that you be very careful on a hot engine, obviously. I try to do all my jet changes when cool, if humanly possible. So be very cognizant of fuel and a hot engine, headers, all that. So safety, thing, right? Safety, safety, safety. Hate to see somebody get injured doing this. But anyway, so please be very cautious when doing this little trick. All right, guys, so right here, right, is the back of the carburetor. I'm going to be actually swapping these out to go to something a little lower. I'm running a little rich. So what I'm going to do is loosen one up that's away from the coil, and then basically stick my drink cup right underneath it. And then spin the fastener out. And I don't know if you can see it, but basically you notice the fuel is, filling up the drink cup here. And there you guys go. So there was a little that spilled on the intake manifold as I was trying to make sure I was getting the camera and the fuel all done. I'll wipe that up with a shop rag, but you can see now you can take this, dump this back into your fuel tank, and just clean up, the little mess that I made, like I said, trying to make sure I filmed this properly. But that is the neat little trick that I was trying to show you guys. So now I can remove all the rest of the fasteners off the bowl, pull the bowl off, change out my jets, and then go ahead and put it all back together. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that little tip or trick, so you don't make a mess when changing out your jets and spilling fuel all over the place. You're gonna spill a little bit, but the idea is, right, you'll be able to capture most of it in a little drink cup, and then you can dump it back in your tank. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all on the next upload. I just want to say thank you for everyone that has subscribed, everyone that's watching the videos. Please give it a like, a thumbs up, a comment. Really helps with the YouTube algorithms. Anyway, y'all take care, and we'll talk to you on the next upload.